Hello friends, this is a test of Easy BITX 40 meter radio which was lying around for quite some time. It has been repaired by one of the ham in Guwahati, Assam of VU3 Oscar Kilo Bravo. So we are able to get this thing done completely, and we are able to get a decent output of around 7.5 to 8 watt with around 13.5 volt input. So you can see we have the multimeter connected in amp mode, and then we have a voltage meter also. We have a dummy load. We are using this antenna tuner to go ahead and as an SWR bridge. That's what we are using it as of right now. And that's the radio. It's tuned up to, I don't know if you can see it clearly or not. It's on 7070 megahertz. That's the 40 meter band. We're right on the center frequency. So we're just going to do a test and check out the power output and also measure the current. And here is the setup. It took us some time to find out the fault on the radio, but we were able to do it. It's a fantastic little rig. So we're just going to do a test. It's in the bypass mode. As you can see, it's in the bypass mode of this antenna tuner, and so that would help us to just minus the circuit of the that tries to do some magic with the antenna tuner. So yeah, you now we'll just go ahead and try to do a test and power output transmission test. So there you go. So here you can see the power output is moving up to 7.8 watt. It is giving us an output of around 7.8 watt, as you can see. And if you can see the current output, there you go. It's drawing around 900 milliamps right now. So yes, so this radio is all fixed, and this is the nice little rig, and looks like everything is fine. So there you go, you can see the power output clearly. So yeah, so this is a decent power output for any QRP operation. On it's a 40 meter band. Maybe we'd convert it to 20 meter band in the near future. So this is the dummy load. This is the voltmeter. This is an RF probe. That what we have. Then we have power supplies, and this is the shack of VU3 Oscar Kilo Bravo. I'm at his home right now, and yeah, we just do whatever we can in our free time. So, send friend, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.